In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate out of English to Dutch with DeepL. We'll move from opening the site to seeing your Dutch translation appear in real time, with clear explanations along the way so you know exactly what's happening and why. First, open your web browser and go to the DeepL website. DeepL is an online translator known for high-quality, context-aware results, which makes it great for everyday messages, professional emails, and longer passages. You don't need to download anything or sign in to follow this tutorial. Just make sure you're on the official site and keep any sensitive information out of the text you translate. When the page loads, you'll see two main boxes side by side. The box on the left is where you put the text you want to translate. The one on the right is where your translation will appear. Above each box is a language menu. Start by selecting English on the left. This tells DeepL that your original text is in English. If you see an option that says Detect Language, you can ignore it for this workflow and explicitly choose English to avoid any mix-ups, especially if your text contains names or borrowed words. Next, set the language on the right to Dutch. This is your target language, the one you want your text converted into. Once Dutch is selected, DeepL will prepare to render everything from the left box into clear, natural Dutch on the right. Now paste or type your English text into the left box. You can add anything from a single word to multiple paragraphs. For the best results, use complete sentences, check your spelling, and include punctuation. Proper names and brand terms are usually kept as they are, so don't worry if those appear unchanged. If formatting matters to you, keep line breaks and periods consistent because that helps the translator interpret structure. As soon as your text is in, view the translation instantly on the right. DeepL updates in real time, so you'll see Dutch appear almost immediately. Read through the result and notice how the phrasing aims to sound natural, not just literal. If something looks off, try slightly rewording your English sentence and watch how the Dutch adjusts. For tone, some versions of DeepL offer a formality setting for Dutch. If you see it, choose the level that suits your audience. When translating longer content, consider breaking it into sections so you can review each part for accuracy and flow. That's it. Go to DeepL, select English on the left and Dutch on the right, paste or type your text, and your translation appears right away. With these simple steps and a bit of review, you'll get clear Dutch translations in seconds.